Imagine this, you write a few words and in seconds it becomes a cinematic video of you, walking, smiling, moving like a movie scene. No camera, no crew, just your words and Gemini. Hi, I'm Krishan, and I built this course to teach you the real art of prompt writing for personal images and videos. Not random outputs, but content that feels premium, stylish, and totally you. You'll learn how to keep your face and body natural and consistent, describe outfits, lighting, and poses like a pro, add cinematic moods and film style grading, and most importantly, bring your photos to life with smooth camera moves, realistic motion, and storytelling videos. And by the end, you'll design your very own personal brand shoot, complete with premium photos and cinematic videos that look like they belong in a magazine or a movie trailer starring you. So if you're ready to move from basic AI results to stunning professional photos and videos, this is the course you've been waiting for. Enroll now and start creating today.